Okay, so I had searched the web for a pallet wall design for apartments, and I don't really know if I found anything that served what I really wanted, so I made it up. So the design that I had was, I put 2x4s or 1x2s, and wedged them floor to ceiling, and on the ceiling I had little rubber stoppers. Also on the hard floor I had rubber stoppers as well. So from there I had these false studs, and then I just zipped pallet wood right onto it. I was able to run all the cables behind it, and we also had just a single power cable going over to a wall outlet. So this enabled us to have a pallet wall without damaging any of the actual wall itself, and yeah, we were able to make this apartment into a home.